Hey AQUA dude, what's up? Guys, I am back with a new episode. And how are you? How are your plants? And how is everything, guys? So today's video is about the Monte Carlo, and you can see that I have got a quite healthy patch of the Monte Carlo. And today's video is about that how to attach the Monte Carlo to the rock. And in this video I am gonna show you that how to properly attach the Monte Carlo. Guys, Monte Carlo is one of the best carpeting plant and most of the aquascaper use it. You may attach it to the driftwood and you may directly plant into the gravel as well. But we are gonna attach this right now to this rock, and here is the stuff we need to attach this. So guys, we are gonna start the video, and before starting please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's move. So guys, here we have got the stuff. This is the glue. You may use the Gorilla glue or any glue, but it must be aquarium safe. This is the scissor for cutting, and here I have got the tweezer, and this is the thread, Monte Carlo and the rock. So guys, this is the patch of the Monte Carlo, and you can see here are the roots of the Monte Carlo. We are going to attach this. So first we are gonna separate some part of it. As you can see, it is quite delicate plant, so you gently remove it like this. We are gonna separate it into the pieces, and here are the roots and this is the leaves, and we are going to separate it like this. So guys, now we are going to attach this, as we are gonna put the rock like this. So this surface we are gonna use for attaching the Monte Carlo, and we will attach it with some gaps because it will cover the rock by itself. So here we are going to attach it. First we are going to put some glue here, and then gently put the Monte Carlo, and you may use the tweezer for this purpose as well. And we need some more glue attached like this. And here we have attached it, and now we are going to attach it here with some gap. Now we are going to attach here like this. One thing you have to notice that the leaves must be at the upper side and the root must be at the bottom side. And put some glue and adjust with the tweezer like this. And this patch we are going to attach here. Now it's quite better. We are going to put some glue here like this. Here we need some more glue. So guys, we have attached the Monte Carlo, and we may attach here a small piece as well. So I am gonna put it here. So we have attached some catches here, and I think it's quite enough for the surface, and it will automatically cover the rock by itself. Now we are gonna put it into the aquarium and I show you.